The ALLELES Design Studio is a team who proudly describe themselves as artists, not prosthetists. The team defines their mission as solving a style problem, not a limb one, and style and fashion are a major principle of their work. Their mission statement is that shopping for prosthetic covers should be fun, fashionable, and affordable. The ALLELES Design Studio has showcased with MakeFashion at several runways in Calgary, San Mateo, and Shenzhen. For these shows, they've included wearable technology into their prosthetics. For more showcases on inspiring wearable tech fashion, follow my Lumen Couture Instagram and YouTube.